Traders always ask me what's your favorite indicator, and honestly, it's a tough question. There are so many great tools out there, but if I absolutely had to choose just one, the only I rely on most, the one that's constantly helped me navigate the markets, it's the one I'm about to share with you in this video, and I've been using it for a while now, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the TradeGenius channel. Here we're all about finding those super profitable trading strategies, especially for beginners. So whether you're just starting out or you've been trading for a bit but are still looking for that edge, you're in the right place. First things first, choose your trading pair. Now the beauty thing about the strategy you're going to learn is that it's incredibly versatile. It works across any market you can think of, whether it's forex, crypto, stocks, commodities, you name it. So pick the market that you're most comfortable with, the one you understand best. That's your starting point. Next, time frame selection. This is where you get to personalize things a bit. Are you a day trader in and out of positions within minutes, or are you more of a swing trader holding positions for days or weeks, or maybe you're a long-term investor looking at the bigger picture? The good news is this strategy adapts to all those styles, whether you're looking at 1 minute chart for those quick scalps or daily charts for long-term analysis. The principles remains the same. So choose the time frame that aligns with your trading style and your personality. There's no right or wrong answer here. It's all about what works best for you. The first indicator today is something called the double ribbon. It's not the main indicator in this strategy, but it's a crucial assistant. It helps ensure that beginner trader always trade in the direction of the market. To find it, just pop over to TradingView, go to the indicators section and search for double ribbon by Chart Prime. It should be the first one that pops up. Imagine two ribbons, one gray and one colorful, constantly intertwining and dancing across your chart. Those ribbons aren't just there for show. The way they move and interact actually reveal the market's underlying trend, and even more importantly, how strong the trend is. It's incredibly visual, making it ridiculously easy to understand what's happening at a glance. No more guessing or second guessing. You see clear as day, and that, my friend, is where the magic happens. Stick around because in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to use the double ribbon indicator to pinpoint high profitability trades and take your trading to the next level. You don't want to miss this. Alright, let's talk about using the double ribbon indicator to get a hand on the overall trend. This is a crucial first step in any trading strategy. We want to make sure we're trading with the dominant trend, not against it. So the first thing we're going to do is make a small adjustment to the double ribbon. Head into the indicator settings. You'll find the tab labeled Inputs. Click on that and see where it says Length. We're going to increase that value to 200. This effectively lengthens the look back period of the indicator. It's like zooming out on a map. We're getting a broader perspective on the price action, allowing us to identify the really long-term trend. This is important because shorter-term fluctuations can sometimes be misleading. You want to see the big picture. Don't worry about changing any of the other settings for now. We'll focus on those later if needed. Now, here's the really simple part. Once you made that adjustment, just take a look at where the price is in relation to the ribbon. If the price is constantly hanging above the double ribbon, that's a clear sign of an uptrend. Think of it like the price floating on the top of the ribbon. Conversely, if the price is consistently hanging below the ribbon, that tells us we're in a downtrend. The price is sinking below the ribbon. It's that straightforward. At a single glance, you can immediately grasp the overall direction of the market. Pretty neat, right? Alright, now for the real MVP, the indicator I personally use all the time, the Black Flag FTS, also known as the Swing Arm ATR Trend Indicator. This thing is seriously powerful. Just like before, head over to the TradingView indicator section and search and type in Black Flag FTS or Swing Arm ATR Trend. You'll find it there. Now I know what you're thinking. Another indicator? What makes this one so special? Well, trust me on this. This isn't just any indicator, it's my secret weapon. Well, let's just say it helps me spot moves I might otherwise miss. I'm going to show you exactly how I use it in just a second. But first, we need to dial in a bit. First, let's head into the settings. Go to the style tab and we're going to clean up things a bit. We're just gonna keep the Feb2 option and the last plot background option enabled. Feel free to play around with the colors and thickness to make it your own. Next, jump over to the Inputs tab. Leave the indicator time frame set to chart. Keep the trail top as modified. Now, this is important. Change the ATR period to 5 and then also change the ATR factor to 5. Finally, disable Feb entries option. Boom, all set. These tweaks will make a big difference. Trust me, you'll see why in just a moment. Here's where the magic happens, the actual trading rules. First, we've got to figure out the trend. Let's say, for example, the trend is down. That means we're looking for sell signals. Our FTS indicator needs to be red and the price has to be below it. Simple enough, right? Now we wait for the price to pull back to the red FTS line. This is key. After the pullback, we need a red candle to close below the red FTS line. That's our sell signal. Boom. For a buy trade, it's just the opposite. If the trend is up, we want the price to be above a green FTS line. Wait for a pullback to the FTS, then look for a green candle to close above it. That's your buy signal. Stop loss time? For a sell trade, put your stop loss just above the most recent swing high or the ribbon, whichever is closer. For a buy, it's the same idea, but below the recent swing low or the ribbon. Targets, we're aiming for 2 risk to reward ratio on both buy and sells. Easy to remember. Now a couple of quick but super important things. If the price is above the ribbon but below the red FTS or below the ribbon but above the green FTS, don't trade. That's a warning sign. It probably means markets ranging or get ready for a trend change. And we don't want to get caught on the wrong side. And of course, we never trade against the main trend ever. Got it? Good.